How safe is your workplace? And what steps are you taking to address fall hazards, one of the 5 most frequently cited OSHA violations? More and more employers are turning to rigid lifelines for answers on how to best prevent fall-related fatalities and serious injuries. By offering superior engineering with the widest selection of systems and products, Rigid Lifelines has revolutionized the fall protection industry. And now we're doing it again with our newest product, the Anchor Trolley. This innovative solution prevents drifting on the track while addressing one of the most perplexing problems associated with falls, suspension trauma. In order to fully appreciate the benefits of the Anchor Trolley, you need to understand the dangers of suspension trauma.
What is suspension trauma? Well, when a person hangs in a harness, they're hanging in an upright position and their body is dependent and gravity pulls the blood down. If that occurs for more than 3 minutes, and sometimes within 20 minutes, a lot of changes can occur. These include hypoxia, which is lack of oxygen in the blood, hypoxemia, again, a lack of nutrients because the blood is dependent. You get ventricular fibrillation, you can get syncope. Syncope is where the person passes out, becomes unconscious, and there's also injuries that can occur to the liver and kidneys and other body organs. This is a very serious problem.
Anchor Trolley will anchor the fallen worker directly next to the safety of the work platform. It's not like traditional systems which the worker could drift away from the safety of the platform or maybe slide down a flexible wire rope away from the safety of the platform. When you use the Anchor Trolley in conjunction with a rigid track and an SRL that will limit the total fall distance, the worker simply steps up and rescues himself after the fall.
Until now, few advances have been made in preventing suspension trauma. Rigid Lifelines fall protection engineers changed that with the Anchor Trolley, our newest innovation in rolling trolley technology. Here's how it works. The Anchor Trolley travels inside the Rigid Lifelines track. Hardened alloy steel cone teeth are activated in the event of a fall with any pressure greater than 50 pounds. The teeth act as a braking mechanism that engages the steel track, causing the trolley to anchor into place. Because the user stops moving, the Anchor Trolley leaves the worker as close as possible to where they fell. This patented design virtually eliminates post-fall drift on the track, which increases the chances for the worker to perform a self-rescue after a fall event.
What happens is when the person who's connected to that trolley, if he falls and triggers his SRL, that weight of the worker will engage the brake pad into the track and stop him short from rolling away from what he just fell off of. So basically, as soon as you fall, you stop. And that allows you to step right back up what you fell off of.
Our unique design allows the trolley wheel axles to pivot, eliminating side-loading stress on the eye bolt. Plus, the eye bolt can swivel to help prevent the lanyard strap from getting twisted. Together, these features mean more freedom of movement for the worker and less wear to the equipment. The Anchor Trolley is water and temperature proof, ensuring the same smooth movement you've come to associate with other Rigid Lifelines enclosed track fall arrest trolleys. And it's available in several different models to accommodate any size or type of I-beam or rigid track fall protection system. Suspension trauma is a very real danger for workers who fall. It's a life or death situation that has not gone unnoticed, yet little has been done to prevent it.
I think any kind of device that will allow one to rescue themselves is a very prudent way to work. Much like wearing seat belts, airbags can help, but if you don't wear the seat belt, you're at risk for more trauma.
The problem of post-fall drift has been solved, and the risk of suspension trauma has been minimized thanks to the Anchor Trolley from Rigid Lifelines. Yet another example of how the spirit of innovation has made us a leader in fall protection solutions.